Going to do a quick foundation application. I know contour is all the rage right now. And so what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of contour without worrying that you're going to go out into the public and it'll look like that. So what I just put on my face was the primer, the foundation primer. Ladies, it is the best $20 you'll ever spend. I'm blending it in with my foundation brush. Okay? Next thing I'm going to put on is some CC cream. And I'm going to put just a little bit here. And I'm going to blend. My CC cream is medium to deep. And with all of the skincare products that we have now that even out your skin tone and give you a brighter, fresher look, I'm telling you, you really can get away with just the CC cream unless you're looking for like more longevity coverage. Now, I had already used my Ditch Dullness, which is this purple pencil that we don't have anymore, but to me, that is that lavender is just great for brightening up underneath the eye area. Okay, so I put that on first. The lavender covers brown, so this little tiny age spot up here, I'm just going to dab it on there. And when I stand back for the camera, you can see that once I put a little more foundation over it, it's going to be gone. This little age spot, instead of putting concealer on it, I just put the lavender, the Ditch Doll. And then I put a little bit of our under eye corrector over top of that. I use under eye corrector because it has a little bit of peach in it, and I like the brightness that it gives. So I'm going to put just a little bit on the other side too. Okay, so now I've got everything concealed the way that I want it concealed. When you look in the camera, you can see things differently than when you look at them in the mirror. And so I'm going to use for my contour is I am going to use a dry brush and a little bit of the deep CC cream, okay? So just a tiny little bit of the deep CC cream on a dry brush right in the cheekbone area. So what I'm using, the CC cream is going to be blendable and movable. And so you're not going to wind up with this really hard line. But already you can see how that has defined and chiseled my face. Now, depending upon your level of, I put just a little bit more, and that's how much I put on there, hardly any. And I might even just kind of dab it a little bit. Come up here, because we're going to do like a 3. And down here. And they put it like right under the jawline. And you saw how little bit of product I had on there. You've got your definition for your cheek. You've got your jaw here and up there. Now, that adds such a warmth to my face. And when I finish this side, you're going to see that, oh my gosh, contouring is amazing. So I'm not going to finish the other side, just so you can just simply see how easy this is and how, okay, I'm going to put a little cheek color on. I'm going to start at the back and I'm going to come forward because I want to keep it still. I don't want a lot of color in the center of my face. Apply it with one brush and I'm going to blend it with another because you know how I am with that. Apply with one, blend with another. So you've got a little bit of color in the center of your face. Last thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of powder. This is the Silky Setting Powder. And I like to do that. It just brings it all the way down. And that is the difference. That is contour with CC cream. That is warming up your foundation, warming up your look so you don't look so pale when we transfer into the colder weather. Just a little tip.